In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download MyDISH application on your mobile device. To download the MyDISH application on your mobile device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are done with it, open up a web browser of your choice. In the search box, search for MyDISH and look for this MyDISH application in the Google Play search result. If you see this kind of an interface that says this item is not available in your country, then that means it is not available for your region yet. But if the app is available on your region, you can simply tap on the install button and you'll be able to download MyDISH application right on your mobile device. That is how you'll be able to get MyDISH application downloaded on your smartphone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.